a lot of things that I did, would I change it? Sure. I'm sure a lot of the things that she did, would she change it? Sure.
Are you guys cool, you and Jackie B?
Yeah, definitely.
Still Michael Jackson?
Yeah, well, she's cool, man. And I think she's a very good friend of mine.
You think?
Wow.
I think she's a very good friend of mine.
You think she's a very good friend of yours?
Yeah, I believe so.
You're still thinking? Because it's been like 9 months now.
Think.
It's not thinking like that. You don't have to take it like that. Thinking is implying conviction. I can't be convinced if I'm not thinking, like, you know.
So you guys are still just friends. Jackie, you're rolling your eyes, and that eye roll reached the back of your head.
I'm sorry.
What's your opinion?
Not sure. We are friends. We're very good friends. I don't think it's...
So why were you rolling
very
your
good
eyes?
friends. Because he said think. I don't know what that means. But we are great friends. We've been great friends outside the house. Our friendship has evolved in so many ways. And yeah, we are great friends.
I enjoy talking to Angel, and she understands me in a way. So I was scared to go far because I was kind of pushing it to 60%, and then she pushed the 40 back. So, but at the same time, she was still playing other guys. Like in front of me. Yeah, in front of me, she would come around playing with Cross, kissing Cross. It was so romantic that it's kind of like, I need to take my 60 back. So I wasn't really happy.
So you're saying if not for those things happening, you were very intentional?
I would go 80. I would go 80 and wait for 20.
I didn't see myself having anything with Angel. Why? Because I felt like her spec would be the chisel up and all of that. Her game was actually getting to me. The whole flirtatious, whatever it is, was getting to me because there's obviously
you liked her.
Yeah, I liked her. Yeah. But I didn't own up to that on the show, right? Because every time they ask me, I'll be like, I just didn't. Even at show, Mo does not lie. I liked her. You understand what I'm saying?
If he was serious, would I have explored that?
Yeah.
No.
Was the fight sort of a defining moment for how you viewed him and how your relationship has evolved?
I did say it in the house. I said if there was anything or like I planned to, actually explore something with him, that definitely did put me off.
I even wrote a letter.
To her?
On God. With my errors and the rest.
What has she said back? What has she said back?
No, I was ignored now.